Okay, question 5f. This is an awful drawing. This does not look like the center of the circle, but in the diagram in the textbook, it is the center. So these are the radii. So we've got a radius of 15.9 kilometers. And we've got what looks to be 3/4 of a circle here. So the way we know that that's 3/4 of a circle is this little right angle here. That tells us what chunk of the circle here is missing from the circle. And we know that the fraction that's missing is 90 out of 360. So if 90 degrees is missing out of a total of 360, well, that means that we're left with 270 degrees, right? So this angle here has to be 270 degrees because we're subtracting 90 from it. And a full revolution is 360, so that means we must be left with 270. So we're left with the fraction 270 out of 360 of the circle. So we don't need to worry about that anymore, that's the missing part. But we know that our fraction of a circle here in this sector is 270 out of 360. So if we wanted to find this arc length, which is quite a large arc length, and 270 over 360, that's just 3/4. You can do that on the calculator. It doesn't matter which one you can use this or that. So this arc length here, if we wanted to find this curved length, we know that's just going to be a fraction of the circumference of the full circle. If we wanted to find the full circumference, it would be 2 pi times the radius, which is 15.9. That's the formula for circumference of a circle, 2 pi r. But we only want to find part of that. We only want to find 3/4 of that. So we need to multiply by 3/4. And this is going to give us our arc length here. So we're almost done now. We've got our arc length, but we also need to find these two side lengths here of the straight sides because we need to find the full perimeter, and we can see that we've still got 2 more edges to find. So that's 15.9, and this one, it's the radius as well, so it's another 15.9. So altogether, this is going to be the expression that we need to evaluate on the calculator. So it's 15.9 times 2 plus 3/4 of the circumference, which is 2 times pi times 15.9. So our answer for our perimeter is 106.73 kilometers this time, not centimeters.